Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Noise smartwatch with a Vivo phone. First, ensure both your Noise smartwatch and Vivo phone are sufficiently charged, ideally above 50%. Confirm your specific Noise smartwatch model is compatible with the Noise Fit application. Then, download the official Noise Fit app from your Vivo phone's app store, ensuring it is the latest version available. This foundational preparation makes the pairing process much smoother. Now, let us prepare your devices for a successful connection. On your Vivo phone, navigate to the Settings menu and activate Bluetooth. It is also important to enable location services for the Noise Fit app to function correctly and detect your smartwatch. Once these are active, open the downloaded Noise Fit application. Do not try to pair directly through your phone's Bluetooth settings. The app manages this entire process. Within the Noise Fit app, tap on the Add Device option, typically found on the home screen or Settings. The app will then scan for nearby Noise smartwatches. Select your specific model from the list. Your phone and watch will display a pairing request, often with a matching 6-digit verification code. Confirm this code on both devices to authorize the connection and proceed to the next step seamlessly. After successful pairing, the Noise Fit app will prompt you to grant essential permissions, such as access to notifications, contacts, and health data. Please accept these to unlock your smartwatch's full functionality. The app will then begin synchronizing data between your watch and phone, which might take a few moments. Finally, explore the app settings to customize watch faces, notification preferences, and health tracking goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.